My name is Ollie Palmer, I'm 22 years old. I ride for Diamondback Bmx Europe, the Lab Clothing and Horizon watches. The frame I'm riding is a Nighthawk Diamondback frame. It's 20.8 top tube, 13.2 back end, and the head angle is 75 degrees. I got a 25 tooth prototype Diamondback chainring, which is good. The bars I'm running are Diamondback 11 butted bars, which are prototypes, at 28 inches wide by 8.25 high. I run Diamondback XYZ pedals, Diamondback Pro cranks, which are 48 spline. The frame feels good and solid. It's full heat treated, it's double butted, 4130. Tyres front and back are the Maxxis Grifter tyres. The back wheel is an Alienation 440 rim, which is 36 spoke, with a prototype Insta-Drive Diamondback hub. And I run ODI grips. I've got Odyssey 4-1 thermal forks. My front wheel is an Alienation Deviant rim, which is a 36 spoke, with a Diamondback prototype hub, which is female and 10mm.